On the slopes of Stratton Mountain, a chalet sits with a serene approach, blending into the mountain landscape and following the natural rhythms that have long shaped this place. Designed by Birdseye, the house was born from the transformation of a 1960s chalet that had deteriorated due to age and humidity. Maintaining the existing foundation as a starting point, the project evolved into a new residence that feels warmer, more efficient, and more connected to its surroundings. The house's form draws inspiration from classic North American ski lodge architecture, but is reinterpreted with a cleaner, more contemporary approach. Two gabled volumes frame the building's main silhouette, while a dark horizontal mass subtly connects them. From a distance, the house appears unassuming, almost a natural part of the mountainside. The recycled wood cladding on the facade, sourced from a reclaimed snow fence in Vermont, gives a naturally aged texture, making the building feel as if it has been there for a long time. Entering the interior, the atmosphere becomes warm and intimate. White oak dominates almost the entire space, enveloping the floors, walls, ceilings, and even the built-in furniture in a soft, consistent wood tone. The main living area is lowered slightly using the sunken living room concept, creating a cozy gathering area after outdoor activities. A fireplace serves as the centerpiece of the space, while large windows open up direct views to the surrounding snowy landscape and trees. The house was designed entirely for the residents' lifestyle, which is closely tied to skiing. The lower level serves as a transitional area between nature and the interior, containing a ski room, lounge, bunk room, and direct access to the slopes. The home's circulation is highly intuitive, allowing residents to move seamlessly from the cold outdoors to the warm interior. This approach makes the architecture not just a visual object, but also a living experience that truly responds to its context. Behind its serene appearance, the chalet harbors a profound approach to sustainability. The old structure was retained to reduce construction waste and the consumption of new materials. A geothermal system is used for heating and cooling without fossil fuels, while high-performance insulation and triple-pane windows help maintain energy efficiency throughout Vermont's harsh winters. The landscaping around the house was also designed using local vegetation, with a drainage system that helps reduce erosion on the snow slopes. Ultimately, this chalet is more than just a mountain getaway. It demonstrates how architecture can be more humble, not dominating nature, but rather strengthening the human connection to its surroundings. Through beautifully aged materials, warm spaces, and a design approach rooted in local context, the home creates a living experience that feels simple, tranquil, and deeply connected to the seasons, landscape, and rhythms of Vermont mountain life.